Imagine waking up to find money in your account. You haven't lifted a finger. This is the magic of passive income. It's the dream of earning while you sleep, travel, or simply enjoy life. It's about building sustainable wealth over time, creating financial freedom and flexibility. Passive income offers a powerful antidote to the traditional 9-to-5 grind. It empowers you to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. Passive income can make this a reality. Dividend stocks are a classic example of passive income. By investing in companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, you can earn regular income without actively managing your investments. Choose wisely, diversify your portfolio, and watch your investment grow. It's a steady, reliable way to build wealth over time. Real estate has long been a popular avenue for passive income. Owning rental properties can generate consistent cash flow. While it requires some management, the potential for long-term gains is substantial. Property values tend to appreciate, creating additional wealth. It's a tangible investment with lasting benefits. Investing in REITs, or real estate investment trusts, offers a more hands-off approach to real estate. REITs are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate. By investing in REITs, you can participate in the real estate market without the responsibilities of property management. It's a simplified way to access the real estate market. Creating and selling online courses is another avenue for passive income. Share your expertise and create a valuable product that people are willing to pay for. Once created, your course can generate income for years to come. It's a way to monetize your knowledge and reach a global audience. The potential for impact is immense. Beyond the traditional methods, a world of unique passive income opportunities awaits. These innovative approaches leverage the digital landscape and cater to diverse skills and interests. They offer exciting possibilities for those seeking unconventional paths to financial freedom. Renting digital assets is a prime example of this new wave of passive income. If you're a creative professional, you can rent out your designs, photographs, or music. Platforms like Creative Market and Shutterstock make it easy to connect with buyers. Investing in niche websites is another contrarian approach. By acquiring established websites with targeted audiences, you can generate income through advertising, affiliate marketing, or memberships. It's a way to tap into existing online communities. Finding the right niche is key. Royalty income from self-published audiobooks or music loops is a unique way to monetize your creative work. Platforms like Audible and BeatStars provide a platform to reach a global audience. Your creative work can continue to generate income long after its creation. These unique passive income streams offer exciting possibilities for those willing to explore. They demonstrate the ever-evolving landscape of passive income. They empower individuals to leverage their creativity and skills in new and innovative ways. The digital age has opened up exciting avenues for passive income, and renting digital assets is a prime example. If you have a knack for design, photography, or music creation, you can monetize your skills by renting out your digital creations. This allows you to earn passively while others utilize your work. Platforms like Creative Market, Shutterstock, and Envato Elements provide marketplaces for digital asset rentals. These platforms connect creators with buyers seeking high-quality digital content. By uploading your work and setting rental prices, you can easily make your creations available to a wide audience. Consider the type of digital assets you can create and rent. Designers can offer website templates, graphics, and fonts. Photographers can provide stock photos and videos. Musicians can share music loops, sound effects, and sample packs. The possibilities are vast and cater to diverse creative skills. Once you've chosen a platform and uploaded your assets, it's essential to promote your work effectively. Use social media, online forums, and your personal network to reach potential buyers. The more visibility your digital assets have, the greater your chances of generating rental income. Regularly update your portfolio with fresh content to keep buyers engaged. Section 5. Niche Website Investing, a Contrarian Approach. Investing in niche websites offers a unique and contrarian approach to passive income. Unlike creating a website from scratch, this method involves acquiring established websites that already generate revenue. This allows you to tap into existing online communities and income streams. Identifying profitable niche websites requires careful research and analysis. Look for websites with a dedicated following, consistent traffic, and a proven track record of generating income. Consider factors such as domain authority, backlink profile, and monetization strategies. Once you've identified a potential investment, conduct thorough due diligence. Analyze the website's traffic sources, revenue streams, and expenses. Assess the website's growth potential and identify areas for improvement. A thorough evaluation is crucial to making informed investment decisions. Acquiring a niche website can be done through various online marketplaces and platforms. These platforms connect website buyers and sellers, facilitating the transaction process. Negotiate a fair price based on the website's value and potential for future growth. With careful planning and execution, niche website investing can be a rewarding passive income strategy. Section 6. The melody of royalties, audiobooks and music loops. Generating royalty income from self-published audiobooks or music loops can be fulfilling and lucrative. Monetize your creative work and reach a global audience. Your creations can generate income long after their initial creation. Platforms like Audible's ACX make self-publishing audiobooks accessible. ACX connects authors with narrators, simplifying the process. Earn royalties on each sale once your audiobook is published. Creating and selling music loops is another royalty income avenue. Platforms like BeatStars and Splice cater to musicians and producers. Upload your creations, set royalty rates, and earn passively. Promote your work to maximize royalty income. Use social media, forums, and your network to reach potential buyers. Collaborate with other creators for cross-promotion. Royalty income is scalable. As your library grows, so does your earning potential. With consistent effort, build a substantial passive income stream. Section 7. Building your passive income empire. A step-by-step guide. Embarking on your passive income journey requires a structured approach. This step-by-step guide provides a roadmap to building your passive income empire. By following these steps, you can create a sustainable and thriving income stream. First, identify your skills and interests. Aligning your passive income streams with your existing skills and passions will increase your chances of success. Choose methods that genuinely excite you and that you can sustain over time. Next, research platforms and tools relevant to your chosen methods. Explore different platforms, compare their features and fees, and select the ones that best suit your needs. Familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available to help you succeed. Once you've chosen your methods and platforms, it's time to create and launch your passive income stream. Develop your product, website, or digital asset with care and attention to detail. Ensure that your offering provides value to your target audience. Finally, optimize and scale your passive income streams. Continuously analyze your performance, identify areas for improvement, and refine your approach. Explore opportunities to expand your reach and increase your earning potential. Section 8. Navigating the passive income landscape. Tips and pitfalls. As you embark on your passive income journey, it's essential to be aware of both the potential rewards and the challenges that lie ahead. These tips and pitfalls will help you navigate the passive income landscape successfully. Diversification is key to mitigating risk and maximizing your earning potential. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Experiment with multiple passive income methods to create a diversified portfolio. This will protect you from market fluctuations and ensure a more stable income stream. Avoid the pitfall of expecting instant results. Building sustainable passive income takes time and effort. Be patient, persistent, and focus on the long-term benefits. Don't get discouraged by initial setbacks. Consistency is key to achieving your goals. Start small and avoid over-investing upfront. It's better to test the waters with smaller investments and gradually scale up as you gain experience and confidence. This will minimize your risk and allow you to learn valuable lessons along the way. Don't underestimate the value of small streams. Multiple small passive income streams can add up significantly over time. Focus on building a diversified portfolio of income sources, even if each individual stream seems modest at first. The cumulative effect can be substantial. Section 9. Embracing the journey to financial freedom. The pursuit of passive income is more than just a financial endeavor. It's a journey of self-discovery, empowerment, and ultimately, financial freedom. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the small victories, and never stop learning. Passive income empowers you to design a life that aligns with your values and passions. It frees you from the constraints of traditional employment and allows you to pursue your dreams. Imagine having more time for family, hobbies, and travel. Passive income can make this a reality. The journey to passive income is not always easy, but it's incredibly rewarding. It requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But the rewards are well worth the investment. Imagine waking up every day knowing that your money is working for you, even while you sleep. As you embark on this journey, remember that continuous learning is essential. Stay updated on market trends, explore new opportunities, and refine your strategies. The world of passive income is constantly evolving, and staying informed will give you a competitive edge. Embrace the journey and enjoy the freedom that passive income can bring.